How to hide unwanted content on TikTok video. Firstly, you have to install and open the TikTok app in your Android. Now you have to select any of the video which you are observing that is unwanted content and you don't want that. Click on this arrow mark and you can see different options will appear here. Just make sure watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistake. Just you have to click on this option not interested in this way, that content will not appear again in front of your video. In this way, you can remove the unwanted content on your video if you want to select that is not interested and that content will not appear again in your screen. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very, very good luck. Thanks.